So Google was trying to play it cool with the Pixel 10, but plot twist. They accidentally dropped a teaser right on their own Google Store homepage. And yeah, it's basically a soft launch at this point. The video doesn't say much, but if you've been following the leaks, it confirms almost everything. And let's just say, if you were waiting for a jaw-dropping redesign, brace yourself for déjà vu, because honestly, the Pixel 10 looks a lot like the Pixel 9. I mean, blink and you might not notice the difference. But wait, Google did throw in a new paint job. But before the deep dive into the video, a quick reality check. Over 98% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. That's wild. Hitting that button doesn't just grow this channel. It genuinely keeps me motivated to keep digging, scripting, and dropping the best leaks and updates before anyone else. If you've made it this far, chances are you're into it. So why not make it official? Thanks, and let's dive in. There's this icy blue shade that looks like it came straight out of a Moonstone crystal shop. It's fresh, a bit more vibrant than last year's hazel green, but still keeps that classy low-key vibe. Word is this color's called Moonstone. Fancy, right? Of course, the classics are still sticking around. You've got your usual porcelain white, obsidian black, and some new pro-exclusive shades like jade, which seems to be replacing the older hazel and rose quartz combos. Those shiny side rails, yep, still here. And while the teaser video didn't spill too many secrets, a previous hands-on leak did catch a few subtle changes. For starters, the SIM tray is no longer chilling at the bottom. It's been moved to the side, probably to make room for what looks like a new cutout at the bottom, maybe a speaker or mic. Also, take a closer look at the camera module. That metal bezel around the camera glass, it's been trimmed down just a bit. Nothing crazy, but hey, details matter. Now about that mysterious newsletter promo Google's offering. Don't get too hyped. It's only for users in the US who've never signed up for Google Store emails before. And even then, the coupon's only good from August 20th to September 4th, and Google hasn't even told us what kind of discount it is. Historically, it's been around 10% off, but this time, total mystery. So yeah, the Pixel 10 is officially on the way. Same clean and polished look, same camera bar, same safe design language. If you were hoping for a big visual shakeup, this ain't it. But maybe that's okay. Maybe Google's going for if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just add a fancy new color, trim a few bezels, and call it a day. Anyway, what's your take? Were you hoping for something bold and new, or are you cool with the Pixel playing it safe again? Drop your thoughts down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.